A warm welcome to you all. The winter's settling in here in the Cullinan, South Africa, on the 21st of May 23, and I thought I'll just share with you guys my very first Bambara nuts that I planted. I only planted some 21 seeds, and now I've got about a kilo of Bambara nuts. In Zimbabwe it's called in isiShona Nyimo beans, or in isiNdebele it's actually referred to Indlubu beans. And so they're now out here in the sun curing to dry, and then once they've dried, I will cook my very first Nyimo beans that I actually planted and harvested. So that'll most probably happen in say the next fortnight or so. So wishing you guys all a fantastic day. Be blessed. Take care. Bye.